MSI MAG 245F X24 review worth buying right now 2026 full guide. In this video, I am going to teach you everything worth knowing about the MSI MAG 245F X24, so you can decide if it's the right budget gaming monitor for you. This is a 23.8-inch Full HD gaming monitor running a rapid IPS panel at a 240 Hz refresh rate, with a 0.5 millisecond GTG response time and AMD FreeSync premium support for smooth, tear-free gameplay. It's priced right around $115, positioning it squarely in the budget high refresh category. Let's break down what you're actually getting. Step 1. Look at the core gaming performance, since that's clearly the priority here. The combination of 240 Hz refresh and 0.5 millisecond response time is genuinely excellent for fast-paced competitive titles like FPS, fighting games, racing sims, and real-time strategy, where every frame of reaction time matters. Step 2. Check the display quality itself. It's HDR-ready, using MSI's AI Vision feature to automatically adjust contrast and saturation based on what's happening on screen, adding a bit of dynamic punch to the image without you manually tweaking settings. Step 3. Know exactly what you're plugging into. You get two HDMI 2B ports and one DisplayPort 1.2A input, plus a 3.5mm headphone jack, a fairly standard but complete connectivity set for a monitor at this price point. Step 4. Understand the resolution trade-off. This is a 1920x1080 panel, not 1440p or 4K, which is exactly how MSI keeps the price down while still hitting that high 240 Hz refresh rate. A deliberate trade-off for competitive gamers who prioritize frame rate and response time over pixel density. Step 5. Consider who this monitor is actually built for. MSI specifically positions it for competitive FPS, first-person RPGs and MMORPGs, and flight or racing simulators. So if your priority is razor-sharp motion clarity in fast games rather than detailed visuals for slower, story-driven titles, this fits that use case well. Step 6. Factor in build quality. MSI's MAG series is built around a metallic hardness frame with strong heat dissipation, designed to hold up through long, intense gaming sessions rather than just looking good on a desk. Here's a pro tip. Before buying, confirm your graphics card can actually output at 240 Hz over the ports this monitor provides, since HDMI 2B caps out lower than DisplayPort at higher refresh rates. So if you want the full 240 Hz experience, running it through the DisplayPort 1.2A connection is generally your safest bet. So that's the honest breakdown on the MSI MAG 245F X24, a genuinely strong budget pick for competitive, fast-paced gaming at 1080p. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more monitor and hardware reviews, and let me know in the comments, what games are you planning to play on this?